Get to know your audience like never before with Umbraco Engage's 360 profiling, helping you build a complete picture of your user's behavior. Umbraco Engage collects data from every interaction, allowing you to build comprehensive profiles for each user. Track sessions, browsing habits, engagement history, conversions, and more, all in one place. Gain deep insights into your audience's behavior. See how users interact with your site, which content resonates most, and how they move through your digital experiences. With Umbraco Engage, you can track their entire journey in real time. Take your targeting to the next level by segmenting your audience. Create dynamic user groups based on behavior, interests, and user journey, ensuring your content is always tailored to the right audience. With 360 profiling, you can leverage these insights to deliver an optimized and personalized content experience. Whether it's adjusting messaging, targeting promotions, or suggesting relevant content, Umbraco Engage helps you make every interaction more meaningful. Ready to turn data into insights? Discover the power of 360-degree profiling with Umbraco Engage. Book a demo today.